One question that's on everyone's mind in B-Town is the marriage of Bollywood's most eligible bachelor, Salman Khan. And the entire industry is excited to get the man in question married. But our dashing bachelor just doesn't know what he wants yet.
Marriage plans? Yes. Marriage plans? Yes. Marriage plans? Yes.
Sometimes it's a yes.
Yeah, I'm not getting married for a while. No, not yet. I may want to have a child, but not getting married for a while.
And sometimes it's a big no. But it looks like this time Sallu Bhai has finally made up his mind. No wonder then that Salman seems to be going all out to make his anti-marriage sentiments quite clear to one and all. And that too at a wedding affair. Recently, disco king Bappi Lahiri's son Bappa tied the knot, and making this grand affair even more exuberant was the guest of honor Salman Khan, who many may not know is very close to Bappi Da. So it didn't come as a surprise when, despite his busy work schedule, Salman made it a point to attend the wedding. And even though he graced the occasion only for 10 minutes, he charmed one and all with his quirky humor and not to forget his anti-marriage sentiments. But looks like even the thought of marriage is enough to spook Sallu Bhai these days. But then again, with the wedding season in full swing, how could one resist the thought of his wedding? Moving on, let us tell you that Bappi Lahiri and Tanisha Verma's wedding was quite a starry affair, honouring both Gujarati and Bengali culture. Besides Salman, the likes of Sunidhi Chauhan, Shraddha Kapoor, Sophie Chaudhary, politicians and a few TV celebs also were spotted having a great time. Everything was perfect. The venue, the bride and the marriage itself. And Salman dropping in to show his support made it extra special. Well, we just wonder if anyone could tell us when we would be hearing the wedding bells of our Dabangg superstar.
I really enjoyed watching Kaun Banega Crorepati. It's a nice quiz show, so I used to enjoy that quiz show.
शाहरुख का क्या?
अमित जी का देखा था मैंने. 10 का दम भी मैंने एक आध एपिसोड देखे थे, मुझे बहुत पसंद आए थे. और ऋतिक का जो शो था डांस वाला, उसमें कुछ लोगों ने बहुत कमाल का डांस किया था यार. All these shows have been entertaining in their own way, and I have also found them nice, in different ways. My show is not like that. It's not a game show. It's not in that zone.
Mr. Perfectionist, who is all set to debut on the small screen, has ignored SRK's shows. Well, at a recent event, Aamir made such comments that Shah Rukh is surely going to be miffed after listening to it. Well, how? We'll surely tell you soon. But before that, take a look at how Aamir talks about Hritik's dance reality show. And on the other hand, despite of the media asking him about SRK's shows, Aamir simply decided to stay mum.
I really enjoyed watching Kaun Banega Crorepati. It's a nice quiz show, so I used to enjoy that quiz show.
शाहरुख का क्या?
अमित जी का देखा था मैंने. 10 का दम भी मैंने एक आध एपिसोड देखे थे, मुझे बहुत पसंद आए थे. और ऋतिक का जो शो था डांस वाला, उसमें कुछ लोगों ने बहुत कमाल का डांस किया था यार. देख के मैं बहुत I used to get shocked how well they dance. All these shows have been entertaining in their own way, and I have also found them nice, in different ways. My show is not like that. It's not a game show. It's not in that zone.
And while Aamir ignored the questions about SRK's shows, when it came to the latest controversy involving Shah Rukh about being detained in the US, it somehow brought a sly smile to Aamir's face. And this is what he said.
आप भी ऐसे हैं जो ग्रीन पैंट पहन के भी कहीं भी आ सकते हैं. ग्रीन पैंट ऐसे हैं जो अब्रॉड में यूएस में कहीं पे भी बिना दखल के जा सकते हैं. Even though your name is Khan. मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, आप किस चक्की का अटैक करते हैं?
Well, Aamir, since you say that you've always listened to your heart, why don't you tell us a bit about what your heart has to say about your upcoming show?
मैं नहीं खोलना चाहूँगा कि मेरा शो क्या है.
Well, at least one thing was made clear by Aamir, that his TV show is not going to be like the other TV shows based on celebrities.
मेरे शो पे तो celebrity show बिल्कुल नहीं.
But Aamir, what we still don't understand is why would you ignore SRK's TV show on one hand, but while talking about SRK's latest controversy, you were totally seen enjoying. Well, but all we have to say is good luck for your new show and hope it really brings about a difference.
पहली बार जब भी आप किसी फिल्म मेकर के साथ काम करते हैं तो आप नर्वस होते हैं और आप सोचते हैं कि उनका हर एक का काम करने का तरीका बिल्कुल अलग होता है। तो आई वॉज क्वाइट नर्वस, लेकिन तब मुझे पता चला कि बहुत स्पॉन्टेनियस हैं और एज एन एक्टर मैं भी काफ़ी स्पॉन्टेनियस हूँ। तो हम लोगों में काफ़ी उस करके काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी ट्यूनिंग हो गई।
Well, Kangna sure may be having a great time working with all the filmmakers, but looks like this feeling isn't mutual after all. Recently, on the sets of an untitled film opposite Sunny Deol, we hear that this Himalayan beauty has been quite the troublemaker for the producers. Gossip mongers claim that Kangna has been encouraging her staff to bill exorbitant amount of daily expenses to the production unit, and also that Kangna darling doesn't have to shell out extra bucks from her own pocket. But this newfound austerity drive of Kangna has surely not gone down well with her producers. In fact, when a hassle production manager tried to reason it out with Kangna about how the production expenses are shooting up to 50,000 rupees because of the forged bills, Kangna apparently threw an unreasonable fit at the producers and refused to resume the shoot until her staff was paid their dues. While looking at these starry tantrums of Kangna, all we can do is warn her. After all, this beautiful lady has hardly any projects lined up in her kitty yet, and we just wish that Kangna's newfound ways to save some loose change doesn't prove too costly. Date 15th April 2012. Day Sunday. Time 5 p.m. Place a suburban hotel in Mumbai. It was a pool party meant to launch an alcoholic drink. Models at the party were seen wearing the tiniest of summer clothing, getting hot and heavy with one another. The event even saw quite a few TV celebs. Everyone was seen enjoying themselves near the pool in the hot April summer. While the girls were seen grooving in their bikinis, the boys went shirtless. All seemed to be having a blast, and just on time reached Bollywood babe Neha Dhupia. After which began the photo session. And so did the problems. Time 6:15 p.m. Shortly after, starlet Amy Jackson made an entry at the party. As the photographer went about his business clicking pictures, some overzealous bouncers came in between to stop him from taking pictures. But the photographer argued as to why wouldn't he take pictures, after all he had been invited for just that, and continued photographing the star guests who were more than willing to oblige. However, the bouncer did not take the photographer's casual retort too kindly and got violent, thrashing him hard and also tearing off his clothes, much to the photographer's shock, who later had to be rushed to the hospital. And that's not all. The bouncer even damaged the photographer's camera. It is said that the photographer even asked the event management company present at the hotel to bring the guard back to apologize for assaulting him for no apparent fault of his, but the company refused to oblige. The bouncer meanwhile was arrested and locked up for one night, even though he apologized profusely for his violent and unwarranted act. Well, he was released on bail after he appeared in the court. So while the party is long over, the case has just begun.
And before we end the show, we leave you with all the starry action from singer Bapi Lahiri's son Bapa's highly attended wedding reception. They do have quite the pull within the industry, so take a look.
एडवाइस क्या आज के ज़माने को एडवाइस की ज़रूरत है। आपने बहुत कुछ पूछ दिया मुझसे, थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपके बगल में खड़े हैं, उनकी शादी कब होगी? नो प्लीज, बट ये सवाल आपने सही किया है, मैं भी ढूंढ रहा हूँ, मिल नहीं रही।
बिल्कुल नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि कोई शादीशुदा औरत या मर्द किसी को टिप्स नहीं देना चाहता है।
मैं एक्चुअली लेट हो गई, मेरी मीटिंग थी, तो आई विश आई कुड कम विद देम। मैंने उनको बोला भी मेरे लिए वेट करो, बट दे वर लाइक नो, वी वांट टू स्लीप, सो दे लेफ्ट।